Due to the fast-growing popularity of our electronic RPRRs, specifically the 930 series, the need for a similar testing kit became clear. So we created the Kit 930-1. Same rugged, all-in-one portable design. Same easy-to-use testing procedures with instructions right on the case. Of course, because the 930 relays are multi-function units, the tester is as well. Here are the highlights. You can test a single or 2 out of 3 logic model. You can run tests based on 4 key parameters: dry contact, fast pressure rise, pressure transducer, or slow pressure rise. Everything you need is included: timer, gauges, pressure pumps, LED lights, hoses, and connectors. If you have any questions or need help testing your RPRRs, please feel free to contact Qualitrol. We're here to help.